Modern interior design, zero-emission technology, and state-of-the-art AI integration are all combined in the 2026 BYD Motorhome, an electric leisure vehicle that is very efficient. Whether off the grid or on it, families and explorers looking for the utmost in luxury and innovation will love this next-generation RV, which is built for sustainable exploration and smart living. Performance and powertrain. The BYD Motorhome's dual electric motor AWD system generates 700 Newton-meters of torque and 530 horsepower. With the use of BYD's cutting-edge blade battery technology, it offers regenerative braking to boost efficiency, ultra-fast charging, 30% to 80% in 25 minutes, a 600-kilometer, 372-mile range on a single charge, all-terrain mobility with an air suspension that can be adjusted. This electric powerhouse is a pleasure to operate, remarkably quiet when traveling, and perfect for both city commute and cross-country trips. Interior design and comfort. The spacious, thoughtfully designed living area of the 2026 BYD Motorhome welcomes you and is modeled after minimalist luxury. A 55-inch smart OLED TV with voice-activated entertainment, a fold-out dining work table with storage drawers, a modern lounge area with a convertible leather sofa bed, panoramic side windows with electrochromic tinting, and integrated surround sound and ambient LED lighting. A custom closet, underbed storage, touch-activated reading lamps, wireless chargers at the bedside, a full-size queen bed with a memory foam mattress, and an overhead skylight with stargazing and auto-shading settings are all aspects of the bedroom. An integrated water filtration and ventilation system, a fully enclosed wet bath with a rainfall shower, a smart mirror with lights and a defroster, and a contemporary ceramic toilet with an eco-flush system kitchenette, foldable eating counter with bar stools, filtered sink with hot-cold water system, small induction cooktop with smart sensors, energy-efficient refrigerator and microwave combo, intelligent features and technology, with features including an AI-powered lighting, climate, and security control system, a 12.8-inch central touchscreen with integrated navigation and smart home sync, and a BYD voice assistant for hands-free operation. The 2026 BYD Motorhome is a smart home on wheels. A 5G Wi-Fi router for constant communication and a solar panel roof with power control are required for off-grid use. Self-parking support using a system of 360-degree cameras. Sustainability and efficiency. Up to 3 kilowatt-hours can be supplied daily for onboard appliances by a solar roof. A completely electrified platform that produces no residue. The interior was furnished with eco-friendly materials and recycled textiles. Gray water recycling to boost off-grid capability. In conclusion, the standard for intelligent, eco-friendly travel is raised with the 2026 BYD Motorhome. Because of its state-of-the-art technology, luxurious comfort, and ecological innovation, it's the perfect travel companion for modern nomads, digital professionals, and families who want to travel farther, smarter, and more sustainably.